Hi, I'm Tracy Burgett. I'm the Director of Financial Planning at Platt Wealth Management. And today I'm going to be covering some of the basics of Social Security, as well as some of the strategies you can use to optimize your benefits. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, this is great, but I've already filed for benefits, there are a couple things you can do.
Just as of last year, Medicare constantly changes. They just reenacted the Medicare open enrollment period, not to be confused with the annual enrollment period.
I get it while I was there. I understood it while I'm listening to the presentation, which was extremely informative.
I would most definitely recommend this type of seminar for anybody.
We didn't know before today in this presentation that she actually could retire 62 or later, which changes our whole family retirement plan.
All right, now you know enough about Social Security to be dangerous. Thank you for coming today. We hope you enjoyed the presentation. And if you have any questions, please reach out. I love talking about Social Security, and I'd be happy to work with you to help answer some of your questions about how Social Security fits into your retirement planning. Thank you.